الشباب اللي حرقوكم؟ مين؟ مين اللي كان عم ينقتلوا تاتا؟ مين اللي كان عم ينقتل؟ مين شايل السلاح عندهم؟
We're here at the site of a protest in one of the main squares of Damascus. The protest was initially intended to ask for rule of law and dignity for all. When we arrived at the site, we noticed that the counter-protesters had gathered at the site even before the protesters themselves had reached, and they were asking remnants of the regime to leave the country. So a man just passed by me saying no to the orphans of Assad, which is a way to say they want people who were loyal to the previous regime to leave the country. And these counter-protesters, they began to snatch placards from the protesters themselves and the Syrian security forces. The general security is present here with riot police present as well. And they formed a cordon around the people protesting. The people protesting have been chanting, the people of Syria are one, while the others are shouting slurs and saying remnants of the regime, please leave the country, and things like that. We have seen a lot of heightened emotions at this moment. Some of the protesters themselves, they began to cry when they were talking to the media and also just present at the scene, while others expressed resentment that when protesters came out in 2011 to ask for their demands, these demands were met by fire and violence from the security forces of the Assad regime. There has also been a lot of online chatter about who the organizers of the protest are, which have made some people wary about even joining the protest or believing in what it's asking for. Till now, we don't really have a clarity on who has organized this protest, but we've heard that a lot of the organizers are outside the country, which has led people in this extremely polarized information environment to brand them as remnants of the regime and people trying to cause chaos in a country that is already just recovering from 14 years of a brutal civil war.
I want to live. I don't want to just survive. I want to live life like everybody else, have a normal life, have dreams. I don't even have dreams. My only dream is to get out of this country. So I want to have dreams. I want to get out of here. I want to live like everybody else.